Okay, so you only really need to wash your carrier once a month whenever it's, when you feel that it's dirty. So you're just going to take it out of your carrier bag, like this, flip it around, detach your headpiece, like this, and detach your bib pieces, like this. You can leave them open so that they get a nice good clean, because the Velcro that we've used here is not going to attach to any of your other clothes in the washer. So you're just going to detach the bib pieces like this, let's set them aside. Your headpiece and your bib pieces, you can wash them on a daily basis, so they're detachable, and so you can wash them, for example, by hand. Makes it a lot easier. Your carrier, you're just going to unhook the inserts, inner inserts, and unzip your hip seat attachment. And then you'll see there is an extra little zip here. Unzip that as well and remove what we call the EPP filler. You can either leave your zips open if, for example, you've got quite a lot of dirt in there that you want to wash out, so leave your zips open. Just ensure that all your buckles are clipped closed like that, and your Velcro. So that's your hip seat, it's all ready to be washed. Your top carrier piece is also pretty easy. Just check that all your buckles are closed, so your two back buckles and your baby's waist strap buckles, as well as your back piece buckle. You can leave the zip open or you can tuck it away. It's 100% up to you. And what I like to do is I just put everything together with the bag, with the head pieces and the bib pieces and the headpiece in my washing machine, together with some sheets on cold wash. Very important that it's a cold wash, and it'll come out as good as new.